D&B economy.
Hi everyone! It's good to see you again. I'm Dr. Doe, and I am...
Professor! Look!
What is this? How to make $1 million in 1 month?
Huh?
No. Bitey, listen carefully. Becoming a millionaire is possible, but it's not about secret shortcuts. It's about long-term habits that compound over time.
So no magic formula? No double your money in a week trick?
Unless your formula is called a scam, no. Jokes aside, there is a real formula for building wealth. It's not magic, it's habits and smart choices. All right, today I'll show you, and everyone watching, the 3 fastest ways to make $1 million. Yo-hoo! It's me again. Let's jump into the first method. Crypto and stocks gambling. When people go all in on crypto or penny stocks without strategy, it's almost like buying a lottery ticket. Some strike gold, but most lose everything. If you're good, the money can pile up fast. Some people hit $1 million in just a few years.
Sounds awesome, but also terrifying. What if I lose it all?
That's the catch. Trading is high risk. You can double your money or lose everything overnight. Only play this game if you know the rules. To make it clearer, let's jump into an example.
What the hell?
See that? Some people hit the jackpot, but most end up broke. High risk, high reward. Or no reward at all.
So it's almost like gambling?
Exactly. If you want fast millions, this is the riskiest path.
So is there a safer way to get rich quickly?
Not exactly safe, but let's move on. Our second way to make $1 million is real estate flipping. Buying old or undervalued houses, renovating them, and then selling for a profit. Done well, one deal can make hundreds of thousands. But done poorly, you can lose a fortune. Sounds easy, right? Buy, fix, sell, profit.
Well, unless the fix turns into a disaster.
Okay, let's see what happens when someone actually tries to flip a house.
Let's go.
See, real estate can turn rags into riches, or just more rags.
Exactly. It's not a gold mine. It's a gamble with bricks. So yeah, flipping houses can make you rich, but it's not exactly something everyone can jump into.
Exactly. Luckily, there's a way more people can try, even from their laptop. That's where e-commerce comes in. Number 3, e-commerce boom. Dropshipping branding. If you spot a trending product and know how to run ads, you can scale to $1 million in just a year or 2. The barriers are low, but competition is brutal. I've seen students become millionaires with just a laptop and Wi-Fi. No office, no store, nothing.
But Professor, isn't the competition insane? Everyone is selling the same water bottles and cat lamps.
That's why branding matters. Without it, you're just another shop in the sea of shops. Let's see two sides of this online business game. One seller who picks the perfect trending product, and another who ends up with a garage full of unsold junk.
Oh shit!
Hey, you!
One year later.
Oh my god!
You see? Same person, same effort. But choosing the wrong product makes a world of difference.
Exactly. One guy made $1 million just by selling what the market desperately needed, while the other was left with shelves full of unsold spa. The lesson is clear. In business, especially in dropshipping, choosing the right product is everything. Without real market research, even hard work won't save you.
All right, that's it for today's money adventure. Remember, fast money comes with fast risks. Play smart.
And hey, don't forget to smash that like button before your next paycheck disappears.
See you in the next
episode.